Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. So welcome to Makeup by Tammy week. Hey. So basically this week is going to feature all the collaborations of Makeup by Tammy, including her new Tropical Twilight collection. Only thing is I'm waiting for that collection to actually get to me in the mail. So what better way to start off Makeup by Tammy week than to start off with her first collaboration, and that is, as you guys can tell by the title down below, the Tropical Paradise palette. As you guys can already see the eye look on my eye, this is actually inspired by Makeup by Tammy. In her reveal video of this palette on her channel, she actually created this look, and I was like, you know what better way to start the week than to copy or try to copy the person who I look up to so much. You guys know I stand for Tammy. This is nothing new. I'm not just playing up words just to, get on her good side. Like, I seriously stand for Tammy. You guys know I appreciate everything she does. This week is inspired by her. She actually did a Tropical Twilight collection week, using her whole collection just throughout the week, giving you guys different looks, different ideas, and all the inspiration behind it, and all just different things throughout the whole week. So I will go ahead and list those down below, as well as the inspiration behind this look, which, like I said, is the reveal look for this palette. So I want to give her a huge shout out, and I want to just give honor to her and respect to her by trying to create her look. If you guys do see me looking down throughout this video, I'm actually watching her video, trying to recreate it, so I know I'm not messing up in any way. And I hope you guys enjoyed this whole week. Yeah, day one, gotta start off right. So let's go ahead and get into this video. To be honest, I actually haven't used this in a minute, so I'm actually really excited that I thought of doing a Makeup by Tammy week, as I'm waiting for my package to get here with the new collection, but it is what it is. I forgot how reflective this palette is, but there you go. There's my desk and everything, all the life and fingerprints that are still in there from when I did use this a lot. There you go with that. I will also include the video I did with this when this kind of first came out. I will include that up top, as well as any videos that I'm talking about, referencing anything like that throughout this video or what have you. All the links will be listed down below. You guys know how I do. I like to give you guys as much information as possible. So it's been a while since I've actually tried to create a Makeup by Tammy look, but I am really excited to try to do this because you guys know how much I love her, how much I stand for her, and I absolutely wish her the absolute best. Like I said, she's such a huge inspiration. She's definitely the reason why I'm doing this, as well as I love supporting her. I love creative vibe, like no drama. Like if you've seen some like drama on Makeup by Tammy, please let me know. Tag me in those videos and I will go hunt them down personally, because nobody comes for my Queen Tammy. Like, nobody comes for Queen Tammy. Like, I am team girlies. I am team Tammy. Like, I stand for Tammy, and I will not have any of that. Like, I will not. Oh, so by the way, if you guys are new to this channel, I primed my lid with the Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution Beauty, whatever they want to change their name to. That's what I prime my eyes with. Start off with the shade Coraline, which is this one right here. So, and then on top of that shade, she applied Majestic, which is this shade. She said it's a little bit deeper than Coraline. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, I am using the same blending brush for both shades, since they are going on top of each other. I'm literally just using the same blending brush to apply these. All right, so next on another blending brush, she went into Perpy Perps, as well as Midnight, I think it was called, Midnight Stroh. So, as I said, the video will be listed down below. This this palette's been out since 2018. But at the time, Perpy Perps was named by her daughter.
And do you know what's so funny, guys? When I told Kaylee that, the palette is going to be in stores and people can buy it, blah, 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 she was like, no, I don't want them to take my Perpy Perps. And I was like, baby, there's more.
So she did that for depth, but not super darkness. That's why she mixed the two. And then going back to the first 2 shades and just making sure that's a nice gradient blend between the outer V and the crease. And I know I have extra concealer out here, which I usually clean up when I do my foundation. Sometimes I don't know if I want to blow out the eye look or keep it pretty like in. That's why I usually put it out there, because I'm like, if I go out that far, at least it'll be something that the eyeshadows can stick to, and if I don't, then there it is. All right, so now we are going to cut the crease so we can go ahead and put the lid shade on and everything. So far this is what my eye is looking like. Going back to the concealer and Define Concealer in the shade C13. So next I'm going to take another smaller curved flat brush, and she went into Carnival, which is this purple shimmer shade. And from my opinion, it's better to sweep this way instead of this way, at least with this shade or this shimmer on this concealer base. And this shade is dry, by the way. So of course we can't just leave this like this. So you guys know we gotta go back to Perpy Perps and Midnight Stroll, which is the shades we use for the outer V. And then I'm going back to the original first 2 shades and make sure the top is blended as well. Because like I said, with the hooded eye, sometimes doing a cut crease, it can transfer a little bit. Like once I cut the crease, if I don't keep my eye closed, if I don't keep looking down, like even the concealer can get up there a little bit. And then next up, she took Queen Lou, which is this champagne-y color right here. This shade is named after her mom, or her mom, like, did her mom name this, or did she name this after her mom? So this is a shade dedicated to her mom. And we're gonna take that on the rest of that cut crease concealer. I'm going back to the Carnival shade brush, and I'm just gently blending that in. So this is the eye look more or less done. Like I said, I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye as well as do my base, and then we'll come back and do the rest of the look as well as wrap up my thoughts. So stay tuned. Coraline and Majestic for my for my lower lash line, which is basically the same shades I use for the creasing transitions. And I'm literally mixing them. Only because I have no idea what Tammi used on her lower lash line. Because she didn't say in the video, but usually when it comes to her looks, she's usually using, I can't talk and do this at the same time, but usually when she's doing her look, she usually uses the crease colors that she used majority of the time. To keep that depth, I'm just gonna wipe the brush off a little bit, and I'm going into Perpy Perps and Midnight Stroll, which are what we use in the outer corner. So Perpy Perps, Midnight Stroll. Literally right there. No further. We don't want no problems. We don't want no type of problems. So that's it. And like I said, because I have no idea what inner corner she used, and I'm scared to use any other inner corner and mess up this look, I'm gonna try Pina Colada. I can't say it right, but I'm gonna try Pina Colada on my inner corner and see if that's close to the look that she has. But if not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put Queen Lou on the inner corner. All right, so let's try Pina Colada. Please be what she did, or I will cry. I feel like that's the shade she used, guys. Let me get the reference. Let me get the reference. I think that's what she did. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, forgive me, Tammi, if you're watching this. Because I really don't remember what you used. I don't think you said it, but I think that's kind of like the goldish look that you have. Once again, I could be wrong, but I'm just going to take Queen Lou on the brow bone.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Once again, big shout out, huge shout out to Makeup by Tammi for giving me this overall inspiration. I mean, she is the reason why this look is created, because she created it first. So thank you, Makeup by Tammi, for this inspiration for sure. And thank you so much for such a beautiful first collaboration with Makeup Revolution Beauty. they were, you know what, all of them people. Thank you so much for being such a great creator. You know, just an overall great vibe. Like I'm not gonna suck up to Tammi in this video. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to keep my, you know, my just like my love for Tammi down to a minimum. But like seriously, I super stand for her, and I'm so proud, and I cannot wait to get my hands on the Tropical Twilight collection. The mailman needs to hurt ya. Yeah, that's all I have to say in this video. I'm super happy that this look actually came out pretty good. I don't care what y'all say in the comments today. Like, this actually came out really good. I've tried to duplicate some of Tammi's looks before. Some of them I never posted and y'all will never see them. But this is my second one that I posted. And I actually think I did a really good job compared to her. I'm not saying like my blending skills is as high as hers or whatever like that, but for me to have hooded eyes and she doesn't have hooded eyes, and for her to be lighter than me, like everything still looks pretty much the same as it does on her. So I do know for sure tomorrow I'm going to feature the Tropical Carnival palette. So I want to do something super colorful. So I'm definitely going to be using this in day 2. I already have a sense of what I'm going to do, but day 2, this is coming. So for some reason, if my packages don't come in time, I hope they at least come by, you know, the 5th day for you guys. I really want to have that ready for you guys. But if they don't, then you guys will for sure be seeing me use more of these palettes for sure. I'm going to stop rambling now and I'm going to sign out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the many subscribers and all the love you guys have been showing lately. I really appreciate that. The video for this inspiration look will be down below, as well as throughout this whole week. All of her collaboration videos will be listed down below. I will just put the look for this inspiration first, but her link to her channel will be down below. The links to this palette will be down below. Everything you guys can possibly need. And if for some reason I forget something, call me out in the comments like, hey, you forgot this. Please go ahead and tell me if I missed something in the comments down below. But that's all I have to say. I'm done rambling. I'm so excited for the rest of this week. I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Peace.